Good afternoon, students. Today we will learn about a new topic, that is Introduction to Trigonometry. This is the picture of a Qutub Minar. Some of you have already visited Qutub Minar, I think. Now look at the top of the Qutub Minar. Suppose from here you are looking at the top of the Qutub Minar. Okay. So now you can imagine a right angle triangle here. Can you find out the height of the minar without measuring it? In the situation given above, the distance or height can be found by some mathematical technique which came under a branch of mathematics called trigonometry. The trigonometry is the Greek term. Here tri means three, gon means side, and metron means measure. So what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the study of relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. So this is a right angle triangle, right? So here angle B, that is ABC, this is the right angle, means 90 degree, and angle A, it is an acute angle. Okay, so this side, this is AB. Here hypotenuse means AC. Hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse is the longest side in the right angle triangle, and base AB and height is CB. This side adjacent to angle A, and this side, that is BC, opposite to angle A. So what is trigonometric ratio? You have already studied the concept of ratio in your earlier classes. So now we define certain ratios involving the sides of a right angle triangle, called them trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio of angle A in right angle triangle ABC are defined as sine of angle A equals to side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse. Side opposite to angle A means this is angle A. So side opposite to angle A is BC. So from here we can write BC, and hypotenuse is AC, the longest side of our right angle triangle. So in place of hypotenuse we can write AC. So sine A is also called sine A. Next, cosine of A. Cosine of A equals to side adjacent to angle A by hypotenuse. So which one is this? Side adjacent to angle A. Side adjacent to angle A is AB, right? So AB by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse AC. AC. Next, tangent of angle A equals to side opposite to angle A by side adjacent to angle A. This is the angle A. So side opposite to angle A is BC, and side adjacent to angle A is AB. So it is written BC by AC. Next, cosecant of angle A equals to 1 by sine of A. 1 by sine of angle A. Angle A, sine of angle A is BC by AC. So 1 by means just reverse AC by BC. Okay. So secant of angle A equals to 1 by cosine of angle A. 1 by cosine of angle A. Cosine of angle A is AB by AC. 1 by cosine of angle means just reciprocal of this. That means AC by AB. And cotangent of angle A equals to 1 by tangent of angle A. Tangent of angle A is BC by AB. So just reciprocal of this. So it will be AB by BC. Tan A equals to BC by AB. We have already seen it. Where? Here tangent of angle A means tan A. Tangent of angle A is BC by AB. So that's why I have written tan A equals to BC by AB. Now both the numerator and denominator is divided by AC. So BC by AC and AB by AC. So BC by AC means sine A, where from here sine of angle A, we have already seen it, that is sine of angle A equals to BC by AC, and cosine of angle A means cos A equals to AB by AC. So BC by AC means sine A and AB by AC means cos A. So we can say that tan A equals to sine A by cos A. And so cot A just reciprocal of tan A. So cot A is cos A by sine A. And sine A, we already know it, that is sine A equals to 1 by cosec A and cos A equals to 1 by sec A. Now we will discuss about a problem. Given tan A equals to 4 by 3, find the other trigonometric ratio of the angle A. So tan A equals to 4 by 3 it is given, and it is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. So from the figure, tan A equals to, we can write BC by AB. We know that tan A equals to height by base. So BC by AB. Now we can consider BC as 4K and AB as 3K. Here K is a positive number. Okay. So now we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. We know that according to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to base square plus I square. Here hypotenuse AC, so AC square equals to base AB square plus height BC square. AB equals to 3K. So in place of AB, we can write 3K. And BC equals to 4K. So in place of BC, we can write 4K, which is equals to 25K square. So AC equals to 5K. So sine A equals to, we know that sine A equals to height by hypotenuse. Height BC, hypotenuse AC. So BC by AC, BC equals to 4K, and the value of the AC we have got from this calculation, that is AC equals to 5K. So in place of AC we can write 5K, which is equals to 4 by 5. Next, cos A. Cos A equals to base by hypotenuse. Base AB, hypotenuse AC. So in place of the AB we can write 3K, and in place of the AC we can write 5K. So which is equals to 3 by 5. Similarly, cot A equals to, we know that cot A equals to 1 by tan A, and the value of tan A is already given, right? 4 by 3. So 1 by tan A equals to 1 by 4 by 3, which is equals to 3 by 4. So cot A equals to 3 by 4. Cosec A equals to 1 by sin A, and the sin A equals to 4 by 5. So cosec A equals to 1 divided by 4 by 5, which is equals to 5 by 4. And sec A equals to 1 by cos A. The cos A value, we got it from this calculation, that is cos A equals to 3 by 5. So sec A equals to 1 by 3 by 5, which is equals to 5 by 3.